Welcome back to our channel.
Hey you guys, Mommy Says here. In this video, Quincy and I will be showing you how we enjoy quality family time all together by playing with this magnetic tiles black. An Amazon seller reached us out if we can make a review of this product by sending us these toys for free. And I would like to be honest with you guys, we do not accept any product for review if we personally do not love or believe on them. Just a little bit of a background story. It was happened like about 4 years ago when I first saw these toys. Quincy was 2 years old that time and she was playing this with a friend. I do really want to buy that toy for her, but I couldn't find it in any store here in our town. Amazon was not my kind of a go-to online store that time, so that's why I didn't know that they sell this kind of product. That's why when I received a message from a kind-hearted Miss L who's willing to send us or gifted us this toy, I did not hesitate to say yes. Because I know for sure that we will like it very much. Now, I consider this as one of my must-have toys for an open-ended play. My daughter has been playing these magnetic textiles from GOBIDEX in Amazon non-stop since we got them last month. Every day, she builds different structures using these toys and uses her imagination and creativity while playing with it. They are fantastic open-ended toys and they will worth your penny because they have so many ways to play with them. That's why mommies and daddies out there, I truly personally recommend this for you guys to get these toys for your family, especially for the kids. And now, if I made you convinced to buy this, please do not forget to tag us or credit us on your social media posts. Please use hashtag TheGarcias made me buy it. Just to let you know guys, we are not getting paid to do this video or to do this review. We just really like the toys, or we just really like this product. That's why we recommend it to you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any idea or any video suggestions or toys that you guys want us to review, please do not hesitate to comment down below, and we're gonna try our best to make it for you. So yeah, there you have it guys. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on our next one.